lived millions of years ago in the eras known as Jurassic, Triassic, and Cretaceous periods. We know this because we have discovered fossils that are leftover bones from dinosaurs under mud and in rocks. Dinosaur fossils have helped us discover more about the size of dinosaurs and how they were so big. Dinosaurs were much different than the animals that we have today. See, back then, the continents have not yet separated, and they were one big mass known as Pangea. It was so warm, about 90 degrees every day, that there were no ice caps. The atmosphere was made of CO2, also known as carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide is the main food source for our plants, so it was vegetation everywhere. Scientists think this is why the dinosaurs were so big, because they had so much food to eat. Size is the most underappreciated regulator of living things. It determines how we live, how we die, and how we experience the world. Life on this planet is based on cells. Every single living organism has them. And a blue whale doesn't have bigger cells than a hummingbird, it just has a lot more of them. Cells have to do a lot of things to stay alive, and they need energy to do so. They get this energy from converting food and oxygen into chemical energy. Cells are like tiny ovens. They produce a lot of heat when working. Being alive also produces a lot of heat. The more cells you have, the hotter you're going to be. So how do elephants deal with this heat? Well, they have evolved to have really big ears. Then they are used as fans. Sauropods like Triceratops, Stegosaurus, and Ankylosaurus had tiny holes in their bones that scientists believe were used to lose heat. Being big produces a lot of heat, so elephants have learned to control their heat and only use half capacity so they don't melt from the inside. And so their metabolism is slow. And so that's how elephants are able to deal with all that heat that they produce from their cells.